Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the exact Apple ID and linked phone or email. This is the account key. Once done, gather proof: device serial, recent purchase receipts, and any recovery codes you saved. Now sign out of Game Center on the device, reboot to clear temporary tokens, and attempt a fresh sign-in. These immediate checks and actions reduce variables and let you see whether a simple re-auth fixes the issue before escalating to recovery procedures. Next, reset or recover access through iForget. Apple. Calm and follow the guided steps to change your password. This fixes most sign-in blocks. Make sure you complete two-factor prompts on trusted devices or request an account recovery contact when 2FA devices are lost. Also verify your payment method and confirm email addresses. Apple often flags accounts for mismatched billing or unverified email, which prevents Game Center access. If successful, sign back in and confirm Game Center visibility and friends list. Finally, sign into Game Center and re-enable iCloud and game syncing so saved progress reappears. Restore in-app purchases via the app's restore function. Make sure each game is using the same Apple ID and check cloud save status to avoid data loss. If something still fails, contact Apple support with your receipts, device serial, and a clear timeline of events so they can escalate. A key troubleshooting tip: request account recovery escalation and provide screenshots of error messages to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.